Okay, so this is another video session, and here we are going to discuss about the value contract in SAP SD. So in the earlier one video, we discussed about the quantity contract. So quantity contract, this is agreement where a specific quantity or specific number of materials is going to be delivered to the customer, and there is no restriction on the price. But in contrast to that, in value contract, so this is agreement, so which is made to send or to deliver material or provide service out to a certain value limit within the contract validity period. So there is no restriction. So in a value contract, there is no restriction on the quantity, but the restriction is on the price. So in the system, we can directly go to VA41 transaction to create such a contract. So now, so we want to create value contract here. So the system, the standard SAP system provides two types of value contract. One is WK1 and WK2, where and now this one. So this is a value contract general, and WK2 essentially is material related value contract. So there is a slightly difference between that, and today in this session we'll discuss only on WK1. So let's go and create a value contract here. Yeah. So essentially here we have to give the customer, and we say the PO number. Let's say we say the value contract general 1000. This is my PO number. So and here we have to say, okay, we have to say this is the target value is 100, and we want to give this is the material. Okay? And we can set a contract validity period, and we can say that, okay, value contract general. We can put a description here. So essentially the point is here we say that, okay, for this material we are going to provide a target value of 100 euros, and yeah, within this validity period. So the value release is something when a subsequent order is created out of the contract. So those order value reflects here. Yeah. So that is the value release. So currently we don't have any order. So now this is 0. And one more thing here is something called, if you go to the header, there is something called release. There's something called release partner, check release partner. So essentially the contract. So here the business partner is required to release the contract. So we have different no check. We have A and B. And currently what we go to, we don't need a release partner here. We just say no check. So our contract is ready. Okay. So what we can do here? So now what we can do here, we can go to /OVA01. So we can go to sales or created transaction, and what we can do here, we can create a order here, and but this order has to be created with reference to the contract. Yeah. So what is the contract? The contract is 19. Okay. Yeah. So if I go to the contract, and here we are talking about the check release partner. So essentially, if you find that when we want to create a release order from this contract, and here it says who is the releasing partner. So as we check, there is no check, so we don't want to give any release partner here. Yeah. So what we can do, we can copy. So essentially, if we go back to our contract, and we say that, okay, this is our item, contract item, and this is what reflects here. Yeah. So now what we can do here, so now we can go to the, so there is one more thing. There is something called assortment module, product hierarchy, which is not used in this session, but this is something we'll discuss in the next video session. Yeah. So if you see here, we have three things here: assignment module, product hierarchy, and we have a material. Three things here, and also we have the three things over here. When you create a release order from a value contract, the three things comes here. Huh? So we'll not discuss about assignment module and product hierarchy right now. So all three facilitates to choose the material. So currently we don't have anything here, so we have only material here. So let's go to the enter material here. So here we can say, okay, I need this material, I need a quantity of 5, and we can go back. Yeah. So let's say, so and then what we can do, let's say copy it. So this item comes back to the order quantity. Now we cannot, this material number is this is grayed out or in display mode because this is copied from your contract. Yeah. So we are ready here, and we created an order here. Yeah. So and then let's say we have to deliver. Okay, so let's deliver it 852, and let's say our shipping point is, let's say, 1000. Okay, there is no serial line, so it's okay. So if the serial answer out of this one, so we are okay. Just let's see that. So if I come back to my contract, if you see here the value contract, the value release, it appears here because this comes from your release order. If I go to the document flow, and essentially this is our release order which is created, and we have given a some we have delivered some quantity of material which is 87.75 euros essentially, which appears here. Huh? So this is about how to about the value contract, and also we can discuss, okay, we can create one more value contract. Sorry, I have to go to VA41, and what we can do here, let's create one more value contract here. Okay, give a validity date, and we say so something, but this time what we are going to change is this time we are going to say that there is a release partner, check partner authorized to release a contract. Okay, if I go to display mode, and if I go to, so essentially if we go to the partner, so this is our partner, and we have set our something, a check partner authorized to release the contract. So what we can do here right now, so if I go and create a release order out of this contract, so let me copy this contract number, and here value contract. Okay, so this time I'll go to the copy. The system doesn't allow. So system is what expecting is that system is expecting that it's a release partner, so automatically it comes here. So, or you can see, so this is our partner here, 491 000, and we can say then copy. So then it allows to go to the contract window, and here we can select the material, and I say I need a quantity of right now 3 to deliver at this moment, and we can say copy, and it comes back here, and here we are okay now. So we can create our order. Huh? So, so this is the difference between so this showed the difference. If you have a release partner state, then when you create a release order, then it is essential to provide the partner number, otherwise it will not allow to go ahead. So the value comes here, So it is updated here, we are fine. So in the next video session we'll see what is a assortment module and how to use it.